G'day, Adam from Ironman 4x4. Today I'm going to take you through our new Australian-made draw systems, which have been designed to suit most four-wheel drives and pickups. Our design is based around DIY, so there is some assembly required. Today I'm going to take you through that assembly, show you installation into a vehicle, and then later we'll take you through some optional extras. This is how our system arrives, flat packed, ready to go. We need some basic tools to do the assembly, so let's get into it. The system comes with a complete assembly manual. We'll be using this throughout the day. There are some parts that we don't need straight away, so I'm going to take them out. We'll first build the frame and then we'll go through the drawer assembly. All the nuts and bolts, so we know where they are when we need them for assembly. The frame part of the kit is in this box, so we'll start with that first. First, it's going to be key to go through the front pages of the manual to sort out what parts there are. So we're going to start the assembly now. We're going to start with building the frame. First we need the front. You'll notice the front, it has a flattened edge on the inside and two cutouts where the lock goes. The back is an upside down top hat, so you can see the edges. This is very similar to the floating ribs, but has a lot more nutserts in it. So first we grab our side, we put it in position. Next we'll put together the center section. It has a couple extra supports, so we'll do that first. Next we'll attach the back. So now we're going to install the roller bearings. This is the sequence that the bolts need to go in. So now we install the middle roller bearing. So now we've finished installing 7 roller bearings on each side to hold the drawers. So now we'll install some extra roller bearings. These will help the drawers slide better and stop any rattles. When installing these bottom roller bearings, we'll use the small hole. The other bigger holes are for the floating ribs when we attach it to the car. Today we're installing these in a Land Cruiser 200 series. So in your instructions, it'll give you some specific measurements. You measure from the front to the back of the rib. So now we've finished the framework, we're going to start putting the drawers together. When putting the drawers together, we've got 4 of these metal plates, 2 in each drawer. They slide inside the drawer, like so, and are bolted in position. I know that this is the back of the drawer, as it's got 2 holes here. This is for our stopper.